Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at a device from a technician's point of view. In this case, it's one of our Chromebooks. Sometimes we run into an issue where the Chromebook enters a kind of sleep mode. While in this mode, the device will not charge or even appear to be turning on. So why don't we troubleshoot this issue? First of all, you'll want to press Escape, Refresh, that's the key that looks like an arrow going in a circle, and the power keys at the same time. This will remove it from any sleep mode the Chromebook may be in. This may bring it into a developer mode. If a screen like this appears, hold down the power button until the screen and the LED on the left side turn off. Then hit the power button again to turn it back on. You should see the Chromebook start up normally. If you try these steps and the device still isn't turning on for you, there might be something mechanically wrong with it. Make sure to contact your friendly IT technician about it. See you next time.